Meaning of facile.
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 Facile. Facile is an adjective meaning something that is achieved with ease, often suggesting a lack of depth or thoughtfulness. It can also refer to something that is superficially pleasing but lacks substance. For example, a facile solution is one that is simplistic and doesn't fully address the problem at hand. Using facile to describe something often implies criticism, as it suggests that the thing being described is shallow and lacking in complexity or nuance. Therefore, when using this word, it is important to consider whether it is appropriate given the context and tone of the conversation.